na. Tuwing ka-eskwela, tayo'y nag-alala kaya't minsana'y nakita. Batch 95 sa'yo, nais niyong lumita. Sa 1895, sana tayo magkita-kita. Sa bawat kalang nasa PGCHS, tayo magkantahan at tayo magsayawan. Sa ating ganalang ngayong coming 2025, sama-sama tayo sa magdamagang kwentuhan. Kumaman o kung umulan, mag-e-enjoy pa rin at hindi magpapaawat. Sa ating ganalang ngayong coming 2025, pagtibayin natin ang ating samahan. Walang iwanan, only PGCHS.
Topic is sports. The best mirror is an old friend. We gather here today as old classmates and friends, not just to see each other then, but to truly mirror one another. We reflect each other's journey since our school days, sharing the triumphs and challenges that have shaped us. This mirroring is the essence of reminiscing, looking back at shared experiences, recognizing how those memories have shaped who we are individually and collectively. A warm welcome to our guest speaker, who will be properly introduced later, Dr. Lourdes Picas, our respected principal of PGCSS, Dr. Jonah Vanessa Blanca, our vice president, Mrs. Maria Rosario Manalang, alumni president, all our alumni present here today, our faculty, the security personnel from Pulangi Police Station who assisted us in making our motorcade safe, the 9 Civil Military Operations and the 14th Scout Ranger Company who came all the way from Legazpi and Camarines Sur respectively just to support our activity. The Batch 1995, and those joining us online. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the 17th ASSP PGCSS Grand Alumni Homecoming. This year's theme, Rewind, Leave the Present Behind, celebrates the good old days to unwind, perfectly captures our reunion. Let's pause, relive cherished memories, and reconnect. Special thanks to the class of 1995, our sponsors, and the organizing committee. Let's give them a round of applause. Let's cherish every moment, forge new memories, and strengthen our bonds. PGCSS will always be our home. Welcome home. Let's make this homecoming to remember. Thank you, and enjoy the celebration.
Diyos maray, mainit aldo sa ating amin, mga pamilya sa pag-eskwela sa PGCHS. And today, I feel honored to introduce a woman who left her doorstep every morning and returned, always more than the person who left. Our guest speaker is one among us, hailing from Magurang, Pulangi, Albay, and earning her basic education from Magurang Elementary School. She received her secondary to postgraduate education from Bicol University Colleges of Engineering, Education, and Graduate School, with 27 units of her Doctor of Education program. the President of the Bicol Association of Schools Superintendents Incorporated, a Career Executive Service Officer 5, mga kabatch, mga ka-PGCHS, Superintendent Norma B. Samantala, CESO 5.
And professionally. With this group of network, if you are a businessman, and syempre, shared memories, revisiting favorite hangout spots, or reliving inside jokes can create a fun and relaxed atmosphere. Kayo na yan, lagi para recall na kami si Madam, kung kulaw na mga ikano ko ang wali kadi. My dear students, on a serious note, bakit di man ako nakapag-doktor, abo ko magpara-exam sa klase, kaya di ko pa natapos na lang, because my work is so demanding.
Accuracy of portrayal, 40%. Creativity and originality, 30%. Stage presence and performance quality, 20%. Overall impression, 10%. For the design contest, our judges will be evaluating design based on content and theme interpretation, 30%, originality and creativity, 25%, balance and composition, 25%, captivating design, 20%. Now, it is my honor to introduce our competent board of judges. Our first judge is a physical education graduate from Bicol University with expertise as a skilled dance coach and trainer. She currently teaches at the Polanyi General Comprehensive High School. Please welcome Risa Gay and Olivario. Our second judge is a passionate teacher with a background in physical education, dedicated to inspiring young minds at Polanyi General Comprehensive High School. Let's welcome Risa May R. Merced. Last but not the least, our chairman is our multi-talented individual with rich background as a retired librarian, singer, and dancer from Bicol University. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Edwin D. Duque. To our contestant, good luck. May God bless us all.
Sa ating grand alumni homecoming 2025, pagtibayin natin ang ating samahan. Walang iwanan. Only PGCHS.
Batch 95, kung pwede na ka mo, magmumurto na. Pwede na sira, pwede na. Pwede na. Batch 95, pwede na ka mo, pwede na. Lunch time na kita.
Sa April 19, 2025, sana tayo'y magkita-kita. Sa bawat kalunay sa PGCHS, tayo'y magkantahan at tayo'y magsayawan. Sa ating grand alumni homecoming 2025, sama-sama tayo sa magdamagang kwentuhan. Kung man o kung umulan, mag-e-enjoy pa rin at hindi magpapaawat. Sa ating grand alumni homecoming 2025, pagtibayin natin ang ating samahan. Walang iwanan. Only PGCHS. Kayo'y kamusta na?